Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, hi, I'm Rachel Manalo. I'm 29 years old. I was born May 11, 1984. I live in Siniloan, Laguna, and I have married and I have two children.
Okay. And what did you finish? Are you a high school graduate or a
Yes,
college?
ma'am. I'm not yet in college graduate. I'm college level.
Okay, college level. Just in case we have employer for you right now, who will be the one to take care of your children?
My husband, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
Ma'am, I have experience in local in this Philippines. My employer is Mia Magtipon, and I will charge her charge is only girl and 6 years old. In 2005 to 2007.
You do also the cleaning the house?
Yes, ma'am. I'm cleaning the house and cooking.
And washing clothes, something
Washing
like that.
clothes.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am, because I have experience to care the newborn baby. Based on my experience in my children.
Okay, so your personal experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you handle also taking care of naughty children?
Yes, ma'am, because my children is also naughty.
Okay. Do you know some children's songs?
Yes, ma'am. Children, English children song.
Yes, can you sing us?
Like Twinkle Twinkle
Okay.
Little Star, because the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is favorite of my daughter.
Okay, can you sing now?
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am, but Filipino food. But I will to learn the Chinese food.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese
Yes,
language?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because is much higher salary, and second, ma'am, is to support my family needs.
Yes. Would you like to say anything else to your future employer?
Ma'am, if you choose me, I will do hard working and I will do everything, all the instructions you want, and I will promise that I finish my contract.
Okay, thank you.